be showing you how to make a Father's Day cake because today is Father's Day. So let's get started. So here's all the stuff that we need to make a vanilla cake. So first we need some 3 eggs. Then we have this big giant milk to mix with the butter. Then we have this giant circle so we can put the cake mix inside. Then we have this bowl, clear bowl, of course with something to mix. Then here's the butter. Cake mix. And some icing. This time I have brown icing and I only found this one. So let's get started. So first we're going to need a small pot to put the milk and butter together. Here's the small pots that we need. Now we just need to get the milk. To mix with the milk. And don't forget you need a spoon too. Start mixing the milk and butter together. Guys, make sure when the milk is yellow, you can stop the cooker and then you can just do anything else that you needed to do for the cake. So I'm going to stop the cooker. Now I'm going to crack my eggs. Okay guys, now I'm going to start cracking my eggs. Let's get started and crack my eggs. Now we're going to start mixing the egg together. Now guys, I'm going to put my cake mix inside the egg. inside and then put it in the oven, the cake does not stick on the round spot. Putting the butter inside the baking pan, I'm going to put my cake mix inside the baking pan. Just gonna spin out. I'm going to put the temperature at 120 so the cake cannot burn. So we're going to give it a couple minutes to bake. It's almost half an hour, maybe the cake is ready already, so to make sure the cake is ready, we are going to get a table knife, and if the table knife comes out dry, that means the cake is ready. So the cake is all ready. We're just going to give it 20 minutes to cool down and then we're going to take it out the pan. Did you follow my recipe? So please subscribe, like and share, and don't